Hey people, am I even recording here? Yeah, I guess I am. Okay, good morning. We are January 13th, 2016, and we are in the northern part, or the most northern part in New Brunswick. And I'm really happy you look around here. This is their I forget, third storm, fourth storm. Although it's not as bad as predicted yet. We're expecting 10 centimeters this afternoon and another 20 to 25 overnight, so I'm told. We are located in Campbellton, New Brunswick, obviously in Canada. Welcome to the vlog. Like I said, I just want to make something simple, quick, and see what's up, and to basically see what conditions are like this afternoon. And basically what you see is what we're getting. Not a whole lot of precipitation. They're announcing 60 kilometers an hour winds also, but I don't have my instruments with me, but I would judge to say that it's near 10 to 15 kilometers an hour. Oh, there's a spot I could pick. So that's what it's looking like today. It's not bad. There a little bit of snow coming down, up to 10 centimeters. It's light. It's a light snow. It's -5. Plus the wind factor. So mystery a little bit, but we are, like I said, January. So although snowy a little bit, but nonetheless, if you're careful out there, conditions aren't that bad yet. Although that could change momentarily, but at the present time, it's not bad. But it could change. Gotta be careful out there. Later, Creightons.